When was the last time an algorithm covered your rent? If the answer is never, you're in the right place. This guide gives you 6 practical steps that turn your audience's trust into a product they cannot wait to buy, without risking your entire savings on inventory. Hey everyone, Kay here with Vidpros. As many may know, brand deals still make up about 70% of creator income, yet platform payouts dropped 33% last year and sponsor budgets fell 52%. A product you own solves that problem. Whether you have 5,000 or 100,000 followers, the 6-step framework below shows how to launch in roughly 60 days. The global creator economy is worth $191.5 billion in 2025 and is raising towards $528 billion by 2030, a 22.5% compound growth clip. North America already controls 40% of that pie. At the same time, product profit margins hover around 40% to 60%, far out-earning the 10% to 20% typical of ad share. In short, owned products transform fickle reach into reliable revenue. Before you begin, shift your creator mindset. You don't need a million followers to launch a product. You just need a loyal few who trust your taste. The biggest brands today aren't built by corporations. They're built by creators who show up consistently and solve small problems with smart, well-timed products. The real flex isn't being internet famous. It's building something your audience can touch, use, or wear. It's creating something that earns while you sleep and grows even when your views don't. So if you ever said, "I launch someday when I'm bigger," this is your wake-up call. You are big enough right now. The steps ahead are designed to help you prove it without risking your savings, reputation, or sanity. Step 1. Validate your idea. Skip guesswork and gather proof that people will pay. Follow our market validation framework. Ask your audience directly. Use Instagram stories polls, YouTube community posts, or short email surveys to compare 2 or 3 product concepts. Study real pain points. Look at your comment sections, DMs, and existing reviews in your niche to see what frustrates followers most. Build a waitlist or early access sign up. A dedicated landing page lets interested fans drop their email address. The size of that list is a real-world measure of demand. Set a green light threshold. Move forward only if signups equals at least 20% of your most engaged audience segment. Less than that means refine the idea or test a new concept. Thorough validation now keeps you from joining the 60% of products that never reach a shelf. Step 2. Budget and pricing. Your startup cost depends on audience size and risk tolerance. For small creators with 5,000 to 20,000 followers, start lean with print-on-demand merchandise. Budget $200 to $500. Break even after roughly 50 to 100 sales. For growing creators, with 20,000 to 50,000 followers, go white label for better control and margins. Plan on $1,000 to $5,000. You'll recoup after 200 to 500 units. For large creators with more than 100,000 followers, consider custom manufacturing. Expect at least $10,000 upfront and a 1,000 unit break-even point. Price every item at twice your landed cost. That includes production, packaging, shipping, fees, and even the value of your time. Aim for a 40 to 60% margin. Use bundles to raise average order value. 3 units for the price of 2.5 often boost cart totals without extra ad spend. Step 3. Source and fulfill fast. Choose one of 3 models. Print on demand or POD. Lead time 4 to 8 weeks. Risk lowest. No inventory. Margin lowest. White label. Lead time 4 to 8 weeks. Risk medium or modest inventory. Margin medium to high. Custom manufacturing. Lead time 6 to 18 months. Risk highest, large upfront spend. Margin highest. Whichever you pick, do this first. 1. Order samples and film an unboxing to gauge quality and audience reaction. 2. Test communication speed. Slow replies now become bigger headaches later. Number 3. Negotiate minimum order quantities if you're unsure of initial demand. Number 4. Confirm logistics, including shipping times, taxes, and return policies, before signing. Most first-time launches succeed with white label. It balances speed, cost, and brand control. Step 4. Build buzz. Marketing starts long before launch day. Use a 6-week runway. Weeks 1 to 2, tease with blurred photos, silhouette clips, and guess what it is pulse. Weeks 3 to 4, reveal design, features, and pricing. Post short demos and side-by-side comparisons. Weeks 5 to 6, share beta tester quotes, open your waitlist discount code, and add daily countdown stories. Remember, email beats algorithms. Every teaser should link back to your waitlist form so you control launch traffic. Pre-launch content calendar. 6 weeks out. Post a mysterious close-up and poll your audience. 5 weeks out. Share a behind-the-scenes reel of sampling or packaging. 4 weeks out. Show a quick demo highlighting one key benefit. 3 weeks out. Launch your landing page and start collecting emails. 2 weeks out. Email a sneak peek newsletter with deeper details. 1 week out. Run daily countdown graphics and answer facts. Launch day. Host a live stream featuring a real-time inventory ticker and buyer shoutouts. Step 5. Launch day playbook. Treat launch like a major event. Number 1. Go live 15 minutes early. Warm up the chat and demo the product. Number 2. Display a real-time stock bar. Watching units disappear creates urgency. Number 3. Name drop buyers. For example, thanks Maria in Dallas, order 42. Instant social proof. Number 4. Run a 3-email sequence. Send announcements at open, cart abandoned nudges midday, and a last chance reminder before the launch discount ends. Convert excitement into sales by turning every moment into content you can clip and repost. Step 6. Optimize and scale. 48 hours after delivery, send a 2-question survey. What almost stopped you from buying? What should we launch next? Fix friction fast and let customer feedback guide your next SKU. Track 2 key metrics. 1. Customer acquisition cost or CAC. The average amount you spend to win a single paying customer, including ads, influencer fees, and discounts. Next, customer lifetime value or LTV. The total net revenue one customer is expected to generate for your brand over time. Scale paid ads only when CAC is less than 50% of LTV. Reinvest about 30% of profit into restocks, new color variants, or strategic influencer seeding. After you pass 10,000 units sold, explore retail partnerships or licensing to expand distribution. Mini case proof. Real-world wins are the best motivation. These creator-led brands started with one product, leveraged an engaged audience, and grew into 8-figure businesses. Sample 1. Mr. Beast Burger now grosses roughly $100 million in annual sales. Sample 2. Chamberlain Coffee generated approximately $20 million in revenue in 2023. Both stories prove that a single well-executed SKU can scale far beyond ad revenue. Quick Start Toolkit. Use these starter resources to speed up your launch. Audience Poll Question Bank. Ready-made prompts for Instagram stories, YouTube community, and TikTok Q&A that help you test product ideas quickly. Supplier Vetting Checklist. A step-by-step guide covering sample requests, communication tests, minimum order negotiations, and shipping audits. Launch Day Stock Bar Plug-in List. Vetted Shopify and WooCommerce apps that display real-time inventory counts, adding urgency and boosting conversions. Keep these tools handy so you can move from planning to execution with fewer roadblocks. Common pitfalls and fixes. Overpricing. Renegotiate production costs or add value through bundling. No email list. Social reach alone won't convert consistently. Ignoring shipping costs. Use regional fulfillment or flat rate options to avoid sticker shock. Launching a product is more than releasing merch. It is building a revenue engine that protects you from every algorithm dip. Each well-designed SKU turns casual viewers into loyal customers and keeps cash flowing long after the video ends. But you don't have to juggle product prep and editing on your own. Vidpros can trim rough cuts, polish graphics, and free your hours for strategy and sales. Are you ready to convert attention into a brand? Put these 6 steps in motion today and let Vidpros handle the timeline.